Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an astronaut helmet. Here you can see that I'm using my compass with a pencil in it. I will not complete the circle because I need this type of half circle. And now I will do its outline. And now I'm using my black marker to draw the helmet. It's looking like a man wearing a cap. It sounds like a tiny microphone. It should be a little cozy. Now I'm using my black pen. Let's draw some tiny circles. Okay, let's do the coloring. I'm using orange color. I'm using yellow-green color. Now I'm using cyan. I have to use my blue color pen. Cyan again. Uh-oh, no cyan. I have to use blue color pen. Okay, now I can use cyan. Finally, my my cyan highlighter pen. And my coloring is done. Thank you so much for watching.